Welcome everybody to Ajax Mitsubishi with a special presentation of this 2019 Subaru Outback wagon 3.6R Premier all-wheel drive. It is a heck of a title, but it is a heck of a car. You don't see a lot of wagons, and this Subaru really will impress. Only 123,000 kilometers on this, black on beautiful brown leather interior. It is fully loaded, and it has one little surprise in store for you as well. We're going to take you on a tour of this, starting right now with what is underneath the hood. As the title might have suggested, this comes with a 3.6 liter V6 boxer engine and symmetrical all-wheel drive and a CVT automatic transmission. This is a fantastic vehicle for this right here. If you are at all concerned about winter driving, this Outback with the symmetrical all-wheel drive is just a fantastic choice. Now, wagons. Let's talk about wagons. Who remembers the Buick Century station wagon? I do. That was my favorite car. My parents' best friends had one as a kid. We used to love driving around in it, and the wagons are just so versatile. There's so much room in the back. We'll show you that in just a minute. Now, up front, this Premier features great-looking 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, these have the Bridgestone Blizzak winter tires on them. They're almost brand new, and with obviously the winter tires and all-wheel drive, this is going to be incredible in the snow. As we come around to the back, have a look at the hatch. Great-looking taillights, the Subaru all-wheel drive badge, and then the 3.6R badge on the back. We have a power tailgate. Love that Subaru logo. In the back are the all-season tires. So these are back here waiting to be installed come springtime. That's a huge bonus. That's a ton of savings for you, so you don't have to go and buy yourself winter tires, or in this case, summer tires. Now, coming around the passenger side, so you can see all four corners. And then we're gonna hop in. Up front, we've got nice LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, and big fog lights down below. It's going to make driving at nighttime super easy, super comfortable. Now let's go have a look at the interior. Wait till you see the color of this. This is so nice. So in the back, look at this nice brown interior. These are reclining rear seats. You can see a big center armrest, heated seats in the rear. You can see those there, USB ports, ventilation, and we've got the cargo cover here ready to be put back in once those summer tires are out of here. In the front, have a nice power sunroof up top, same great seats. This is a non-smoker vehicle as well. And then we have a power driver's seat down here that's connected to a 2-driver memory system. Now let's hop in. Now, one of the cool things that this Subaru features is, I hope I get it right, Star Eye, I think that's what it's called. It's basically Subaru's safety system. So forward emergency braking, rear emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot warning in the side view mirrors, a great camera system, adaptive cruise control. I mean, it's loaded with all the great safety features that you would want. Up front, we have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, our adaptive cruise controls, heated steering wheel, controls for our center display, and then our radio controls and Bluetooth on this side. In the center display here, you can see 123,258 kilometers. Now, over here towards our driver's knee are a couple of those safety systems that you can turn on and off. And then if we look over here, I'll give you a pan around this interior. How about that brown? Isn't that nice? And then it even has a nice little touch of wood grain here and up top as well. Really nice, classy interior. Now, in the infotainment system, you can see we have Sirius satellite radio. Love showing you that first. We also have onboard navigation. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Subaru Starlink. What else do we have? Oh, a CD player. That's what I was looking for. CD player too, right? 2019, I guess. Yeah, it was kind of right when they were phasing that out. But very cool. If you have some CDs lying around, throw them in and enjoy. I always like pushing eject. Sometimes you just get some goodies that come out. You never know. Now, putting this in reverse, nice clear rear view camera, and you can see the rear automatic braking is on. So as you back up, if you get too close to something, it will actually automatically stop for you. We have our dual zone climate control and our 3-stage heated front seats for the driver and the passenger. And then our center console here, we have the electronic parking brake. We have X mode, which is more realistically just for like off-road modes. You can kind of change those on and off. And then behind this cover, we've got some USB ports and an auxiliary and 12-volt port there as well. And then last but not least for sure is the audio system. I forgot to tell you, this has got a Harman Kardon 575 watt audio system. It's absolutely fantastic. So if you like your music, you're going to love this audio system in here. And then here is our Carfax 19 Subaru Outback, low kilometers. It does say that there's an accident on here, but we'll check that in a second. This is the importance of, look, it's 21 service records. So even with 123K, to be able to see all the maintenance that was done on this is just incredible. And you can view that here on the Carfax. Now, in August of 2024, it says there was an accident with the vehicle, damage to the right side. However, there is no dollar amount. So that to me says it was either minor, it was probably just so minor that it really didn't require any repair, or if there was some repair that was done, it was very, very inexpensive, which, you know, does not go along in the same sentence as car repair. So, I mean, nothing to be worried about there. The only thing I would be worried about is, will this wagon still be here by the time you call? Call us here at Ajax Mitsubishi to book your test drive. Bring the family, hop in. You're going to love the way a Subaru drives. It really is something special. It's fantastic. All 4 seasons around, and I mean, it's a wagon. How many people do you know have a wagon? Drive around the neighborhood, try to spot one. If you want something unique, this is a fantastic choice. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you at Ajax Mitsubishi.